Okay, ready? I'll help you. Ready? Set.
Oh my god!
Are we really that like unlucky?
Welcome to Kidstopia!
Easy, baby.
Hey Landino, what are we doing today?
We're playing with the head.
How exciting!
Daddy and I are gonna play. And I'm gonna win.
Cool. Let's start.
Okay, let's open it now.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Got it.
What's in the box, dude? You get a cool hat. Whoa.
And pull. Let's fill this up first.
Coolio. Let's do it. Is it more full? Oh,
Yeah.
perfect.
You're throwing it on me. Stop it, Daddy.
We're gonna put the cap on right there.
Daddy's turn.
I'm going first.
Okay, Daddy.
All right.
Daddy.
Ready?
Stand closer to him, honey. Which one? Okay, so we got the spinner. Let's see, Daddy. Spin it. One pull.
Okay, ready? Set. Oh, okay. What the heck? Oh my god. First turn, you kidding me? How do you take this off?
Oh, Daddy.
First turn. Are you serious?
You lose. I'm gonna pick this one. Wait, is this the wrong one?
What the heck?
Need to put it on?
Oh no!
Okay, come on, your turn. It's your turn.
No!
Come on, sit
No!
Land it. Come on, it's your turn.
Okay, but you didn't want it.
Come on, you gotta do it. Don't be a weenie.
Okay, ready?
Oh, look how cute he looks. Okay, sit down though.
So I'm gonna spin it and you're gonna pull the cup, okay? Ready?
Deadpool.
Okay, so you gotta spin it, my love. Spin it. And you got one pull, so you
Okay,
gotta
have to
take
pull
one out.
You have to pull one out. Just one. No, wait. I'll hold on it. Ready? Set. Pull. Pull it.
Pull it.
All the way.
Hard.
Okay, ready? I'll help you. Ready? Set.
Oh my god!
Are we really that like unlucky? Like.
I don't think it works. Hey, what are you doing, cheater? Cheater, cheater, pumpkin eater.
On the first try?
I guess.
Are we not doing this? I feel like something's not right.
Maybe I think we need to twist it more.
It's Daddy's turn again.
Cool.
All right, dude. Ready? What? Pull one and spin again? Oh, dude.
Oh.
Ready? I'm gonna pull this one. Set. Go. Okay, so
Yay.
slowly you're gonna spin again.
Okay.
Ready?
Oh, you
Set.
gotta pull again.
Reverse. Okay, so it just means next one.
Landon's
Your
turn.
turn, dude.
Oh no!
Okay.
Oh boy, it's gonna be my turn again. I want to press that one so it doesn't move.
Woo!
Okay, dude, ready?
It has to be tight, Adrian. Tighter.
Okay, baby.
Perfect.
Ready? Spin, dude.
I want to.
You have to spin it. You don't want that one, dude. Trust me.
Okay.
Okay, spin it again. Now pull it, baby.
I'm so scared, guys.
Pull it, baby.
See.
Hard.
Oh!
I'm gonna pull all the pens.
Go. Already? Are you kidding me? Oh my god.
Ah, that's what you get, Daddy. Say loser, loser.
Man, this is like so rigged. It can't be the one. It is the one. Like, how is there one spot? Like,
What Daddy got? What is it?
Cotton candy!
Cotton candy. Daddy saves the day. Daddy saves the day.
I win, I win, I win.
Yeah, so now you get the cotton candy head. Look at the cotton candy head. Daddy.
I got cotton candy and then you lose.
Daddy lost. Oh, look at Daddy's face. Oh,
Look at all these sticks if you want.
cool. Let's do it.
Oh no!
I think we should do that one.
Do it. Do it. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. I quit. I quit.
That's enough.